Hello dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Because it's 2018, I of course made the wooden dog salad. It's very easy to make because the ingredients are so easy to find. It's just potato in a mashed form. Bottom layer of the mashed potato has no paprika in it, and the top layer has a little bit of paprika, so it will make a little bit yellowish color, yellowish orangey color. And then second layer is garbanzo beans on the ears. In the middle part, the head and face has potato on the first layer. Second layer has chicken breast. Third layer has pickled cucumbers. Fourth layer has cheese, any type of salty cheese. Again, on top layer it's chicken breast. And then we just decorate for our salad to look like a doggy face. By the way, I forgot to mention, I chopped red onions and then fried them in some oil, and then added the mashed potato, so it became kind of tastier. So the black ones are black olives, and the tongue of the dog is ham. So it's very easy. So hope you like my today's salad, and if you like it, please don't forget to put your thumbs up and subscribe if you are new, because I have a bunch of recipes coming up in 2018, because I already have a new format and it's easy for me to film, to record, and then to upload the videos. Thanks for staying with me till this moment, and see you next time. Bye bye.